Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Let's pretend like this never happened, like I never had dreams of being a rapper, like I didn't write raps up in all of my classes, like I never used to run away into the blackness now. Let's pretend like it was all good, like I didn't live staring in the notebook, like I did the things that I probably knew I should, but I ain't have neighbors, that's why they call it hood. Yeah, now let's pretend like I ain't got a name, before they ever call me B.O.B. or A.K.A. Bobby Ray. I'm talking back before the mixtapes, before the videos and the deals and the fame, before they ever once compared me to Andre, before I ever got on my space, before they ever noticed my face. So let's just pretend and make wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
And it seems like yesterday, it was just a dream, but those days are gone.
He pretends that
airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.